Alright guys, so today I'm going to be installing a Racing Beat subframe support. Here it is right here. This guy looks pretty good. It goes between the arms of the subframe. Show you guys all in a second. Now the hardest part, I guess, would be this little bracket here. I can pop it off real quick for you guys. So this bracket right here. Now this bracket, or this little chunk of metal, I guess you could call it, brace bracket, whatever. It has to get sandwiched in between your. Or I'll just show you guys. Ooh. So you can see that right there. That's where it needs to get sandwiched. Now it doesn't fit. Show you guys how to do it with a mallet and some basic tools. Alright guys, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is mark out on your little adjustment for your camber and all that. Just make sure you don't forget the location of that. And then you're gonna want to grab your 17s. So if you guys could see how much that is moving, that gives you just enough clearance to almost fit this block. See, quite fit. What I do, grab this right here, pry. Now the fitment is a little better, but now that's where you gotta grab your mallet. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record this at the same time. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record this. Alright, but you get the gist. I can't record this because the camera's just in my way. So I'm just going to simply just knock it back in place like this, and then when it gets close I'll grab my flathead and I'll just knock it the rest of the way with the flathead. Alright guys, it is all up in there. You can see that. Make sure you guys do it the right way, because if you don't, it's you gotta take it all apart to get it off. So don't mess this up. Put it in the right way. The thick side goes inside towards the transmission on both sides. You can even see that. And yeah, so now all I'm gonna do is I'm just going to throw that brace on. It's gonna be a bit hard to record that, so sorry if I don't record it. Alright guys, as you can see, the brace is all in place, and yeah, that was it. Nothing really much to it. It's solid, and as long as you do what I did, you don't have to take these off. She not moving anywhere. But yeah, if you guys don't have this stuff already, and you got a 90 to 92, 93, then you really need to install one of these bars, because if you don't have one, then you're missing out, honestly. But yeah, as you can see, my splitter has seen better days. I think that happened today. But yeah, even up here, something took it out. Pretty sure that happened today, but whatever, it is what it is. I'm all braced up. I'm excited to go and drive this thing, see how it handles now. Should be a lot better, and it should have some more support in the front now. But yeah guys, thanks for watching, and if you guys like my video, make sure you guys like it, and if you don't like it, make sure you guys can comment down below what I can improve on. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.